One second. Yeah. I get bread, you can't even get a bread roll. I see by myself. What is up, guys? It's Shamsy here with another Ross video. Let's just set this up right here. Oh, I'm looking gleaming. Oh. Alright, so something came in the mail today. Okay, so I got, have a guess. It's my plates, bitch. Alright, cool. Bearing in mind I'm pretty gassed. Look, I got another plate, bro. Alright, cool. I look saucy. Huh? Okay, cool. So I got my number plates, looking pretty sick. I got it about a couple of days ago, but then it took me like a couple of days to find the pin strong masking tape, not masking tape, double-sided tape. So I was looking on YouTube what people use, and they just use double-sided tape. They don't actually show you what they use. I ain't selling for nobody, but this is what I use: Gorilla heavy duty mountain tape, double-sided. It's basically made for flipping cars. What's it? So yeah, apply tape, indoor and outdoor use, grips to rough and smooth surface. Very good, mate. So first step, what we got to do is to take off the current number plates on my vehicle. So I'm gonna do a time lapse of that.
This guy fully saw me set up the camera, you know, and then that's when he wants to talk to me and ask for directions, fam. I should have slapped him in his head, dickhead.
Yeah. What's the road down there? Abbeyfield is along that side. On that side. So if you go around and make a right, and then like set houses. Shit. Ah, fucking hell.
Smooth all fucking died, didn't charge it, unlucky. So just to compare it, can you see the difference? Sexy. Alright, cool. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a strip here, a strip here, and a strip in the middle, because I kind of fucked it before. So yeah, I'm gonna use this as reference. We don't read instructions, get me? So we're just gonna wing it. So it's already stuck down, so there's gonna be like a clear part on top of the tape that you're gonna have to peel off. So basically, you tape it down, cut it, and then you peel off a strip, just like how it's showing you in this motherfucking thing here, because it's already sticky. So that's how you mount the tape. Oh, it's a bit funny. That's how you mount the tape. Yeah, so this is what I did, right? So it's gonna look like this, and the reason why it's shorter is because this part curves in and this part curves in, so it's a bit, you know,
that's gonna be it for today's video. I think the plates look great. Thanks Monster Plates for sending me out these plates. It's a bit awkward, yeah. But yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe. As you can see, I'm pretty tired. Be doing hella shit all day, bro. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment and subscribe and share for anybody that's gonna get these plates, because it's not detailed, but it's a good fucking tutorial. But anyway, I'm rambling now, so